The DJI Osmo Pocket 4 is rapidly becoming one of the most anticipated compact cameras in the market, thanks to rumors and leaks hinting at an array of impressive upgrades over its predecessor, the Osmo Pocket 3. Building on the success of earlier models, the Pocket 4 is expected to cater to a broader audience, from casual vloggers and social media influencers to professional content creators seeking a portable, high-performance solution. With enhancements across the board, including a larger sensor, better battery life, improved video capabilities, and faster wireless performance, the Osmo Pocket 4 promises to set new standards for mobile filmmaking. One of the most exciting rumored features of the Osmo Pocket 4 is its new dual-camera setup. Unlike previous models, which featured a single camera, the Pocket 4 may introduce two sensors to provide more flexibility in shooting. The main sensor is expected to be a large 1-inch sensor, which would mark a significant upgrade in terms of image quality, especially in low light and dynamic range. The 50-megapixel resolution being speculated would also deliver sharp, high-resolution images that capture more detail, making it a solid option for creators looking to shoot in challenging environments. The larger sensor will allow more light to hit the image sensor, delivering cleaner footage, better highlights, and richer color depth, perfect for both video and stills. Alongside this main sensor, there are rumors that the Pocket 4 will include a secondary smaller sensor, possibly around 1.3 inches in size. This secondary sensor could be tailored for specific shooting styles, such as vertical video for social media platforms like Instagram and TikTok. It could also offer quick switching between shooting modes, giving creators the ability to change between styles without having to rotate the device. This added versatility could make the Pocket 4 a go-to camera for a wide variety of content, from cinematic vlogs to quick social media clips. In addition to the dual sensors, the DJI Osmo Pocket 4 may feature a variable aperture lens on the main camera, a feature rarely seen in compact gimbal cameras. The ability to adjust the aperture would provide more control over exposure, making it easier for creators to handle different lighting situations. Whether shooting in bright sunlight or dimly lit environments, this feature would help users achieve more consistent and professional-looking results by adjusting the amount of light that hits the sensor. When it comes to video quality, the Osmo Pocket 4 is expected to make significant strides forward. The camera is rumored to support 6K video recording at 60 frames per second, an upgrade that would leave the Pocket 3's 4K video capabilities behind. With higher resolution comes greater flexibility in post-production. Creators would be able to crop into their footage without losing clarity, allowing for more creative control when editing. DJI is also expected to improve its color science, dynamic range, and HDR processing, ensuring that the Pocket 4 continues the strong tradition of excellent image quality that its predecessors set. Stabilization is one of the key features that have made the Osmo Pocket series so popular, and the Pocket 4 is expected to build on this foundation with further refinements. The camera will likely retain DJI's trusted 3-axis mechanical gimbal system, which provides far superior stabilization compared to digital systems. This mechanical stabilization ensures smoother, more cinematic shots, even when walking or following a moving subject. With improved motors and faster processing power, the Pocket 4 should be able to offer even better performance in dynamic situations, making it ideal for fast-moving subjects, action shots, and creative vlogging setups. The display system is also set to receive upgrades. Leaked images suggest that the Pocket 4 could include an additional small display or status screen, allowing users to quickly check important information like battery life, frame rate, and resolution without having to navigate through menus or connect to an external device. This secondary display would be a valuable tool for creators who need to monitor key settings at a glance while shooting. The main touchscreen is expected to remain large, bright, and responsive, making it suitable for both outdoor filming and shooting in low-light conditions. Battery life, an area that has seen improvement in each generation, is expected to be significantly better in the Osmo Pocket 4. The camera is rumored to feature a 1,545 mAh battery, an 18% increase in capacity compared to the Pocket 3. This would result in longer recording times per charge, making it more reliable for extended shoots. Whether you're recording a travel vlog, capturing a time-lapse, or filming for long stretches, the improved battery life will reduce the need for frequent recharging. Fast charging support is also expected to return, allowing users to quickly refill the battery when on the go, ensuring that the camera stays ready for action at all times. Audio quality is another area where the Osmo Pocket 4 is likely to shine. Content creators, especially vloggers, know how important good sound is to their productions, and DJI appears to have taken this into account. The Pocket 4 is rumored to include a 4-microphone array for improved sound capture. This multi-microphone setup will help reduce background noise, improve wind resistance, and capture clearer audio, which is essential for high-quality vlogging. Additionally, the Osmo Pocket 4 is expected to integrate seamlessly with DJI's wireless microphone systems, offering better pairing, lower latency, and improved audio syncing. This feature would make the Pocket 4 an even more attractive option for creators who want clear, professional-grade sound without the need for external audio equipment. Despite all these upgrades, the Osmo Pocket 4 is expected to maintain its compact, pocketable design, which has been one of the series' most attractive features. Weighing in at under 200 grams, it will still be small enough to fit in a bag or pocket, making it ideal for creators who are always on the move. DJI is rumored to refine the body layout, with updated physical buttons located beneath the touchscreen. These buttons would allow users to quickly access essential functions like recording, focus, and gimbal modes, without constantly having to tap on the screen. This would make for a smoother, more efficient shooting experience, particularly when time is of the essence. As for the launch date, while DJI has not made any official announcements, industry leaks suggest that the Osmo Pocket 4 could be unveiled as early as late 2025 or early 2026. Regulatory filings, which typically precede product announcements, have also been spotted, lending further credence to the belief that the Pocket 4 is on the verge of release. Pricing is expected to range between $500 and $600 for the standard version, with higher-priced creator bundles that include additional accessories for those who need more gear out of the box. Of course, regional pricing may vary depending on taxes and import fees. If the current leaks and rumors prove accurate, the DJI Osmo Pocket 4 will represent a huge leap forward in terms of mobile cinematography. With a larger sensor, possible dual-camera system, improved video resolution, better battery life, enhanced audio quality, and faster wireless performance, the Pocket 4 will be a powerful tool for a variety of creators. Whether you're a travel vlogger, YouTuber, social media influencer, or professional filmmaker, the Osmo Pocket 4 will offer the quality and flexibility needed to produce stunning content. With its lightweight, pocket-friendly design, it's clear that DJI has once again crafted a device that combines power and portability in one compelling package.